Welcome to Jim's Kitchen. I heard of this very unique vintage dessert. It's one of those Jello salads called Klondike Salad, and this one contains Klondike Bars. Is that unusual or what? Let's make it. You need a large box of Jell-O. I'm using this family-sized strawberry Jell-O. Add it to a bowl. I need to add 3 cups of boiling water and mix that in for a couple minutes. You need 4 Klondike bars. You need to break them apart and add them to that warm Jell-O. And mix them in one at a time. Kind of just melt it right in. Then you mix in 8 ounces of whipped topping. Well, let's try to mix it in. Then you're going to pour it into a 9x13. We're going to put it in the refrigerator and hope that it sets. The Klondike Bar is from 1922. It was created in Mansfield, Ohio, by the Isley Dairy Company. They came up with the name Klondike because of the Klondike River in Canada, and they're trying to come up with a nice cold snack. Unlike most ice cream bars, it was square shaped with no stick. It's just so easy, you unwrap it and you eat it. They came up with the iconic, recognizable silver wrapper. There's many flavors like chocolate, Reese's, even Oreo. Klondike is now owned by the Unilever Corporation. And what are they most known for? Their slogan. What would you do for a Klondike bar? You know what I'd do? I'd try Klondike salad. Well, I guess this is the salad. I think I could use a little lettuce. It sure doesn't look pretty, but how does it taste? It's definitely chocolatey and creamy. It kind of tastes like a chocolate-covered strawberry. This would be a great recipe for Valentine's Day. I think that the texture's a little strange. I think what I really should have done is done the whole Klondike bar and Jell-O and let that harden, and then later mix the whipped cream in so it was nice and fluffy. More like one of those summer Jello salads. I think for the flavor, it's definitely like in the 7.5 region, but because of the strange look and the strange texture, I'm gonna lower that score a bit. I'm gonna give it a 6.5 out of 10, but it is tasty. What kind of ice cream is bad at tennis? Soft serve.